Hello, my people. Have you ever been in Rwanda or wish to visit Rwanda? If yes, do you know the basic vocabularies to use whenever you reach the country or pass by a Rwandan? Here we are going to let you know the basic vocabularies to use for greetings and farewells. As you know, in English we have different ways we greet each other when it is in the morning, noon, and afternoon. In Rwandan culture, it is the same. Rwandans have the way they greet one another in the morning, noon, and evening. Then learn how to greet a Rwandan whenever you meet him or her. In the morning, I mean mugitondo, I repeat it in Kinyarwanda, mugitondo, morning means mugitondo. Greet in this way. As you can see from the table, in English we say good morning when it is in the morning. But in Kinyarwanda we say mwaramutse. I repeat it again, we say mwaramutse. Or you can even say mwaramutseho. I repeat again, mwaramutseho. This is the two way you can use. You can choose one. You can say mwaramutse or mwaramutseho. Both are agreed. At noon and afternoon, I mean from 12 o'clock to 17 p.m. As you can see, in English, we say good afternoon. But in Kinyarwanda, we say mwiriwe. I repeat it again, mwiriwe. I repeat it, mwiriwe. I think where you are, if you are near to a Rwandan, you can just try this. You can make an exercise and try to tell him if it is at noon and say mwiriwe. I'm sure, very sure that he will immediately answer you, but he can be amazed to hear you speaking that. You can also this greetings in general instead of saying mwaramutseho or mwaramutse in the morning, mwiriwe at noon or in the afternoon. You can use this simple sentence in general, either in the morning. You can say muraho. Muraho. This muraho is used in general, either it is in the morning, noon, afternoon, and in the evening. So this is how you can greet someone in Kinyarwanda. So in addition to this, a Rwandan may also do a favor for you and you need to thank him or her. How will you say it? You know, in English, when someone does something good to us, we say thanks or thank you. So in Kinyarwanda, we say murakoze. I repeat it again, murakoze. Murakoze. Or you can say urakoze. I repeat it again, urakoze. Again, urakoze. But use urakoze for one person, or you can prefer to use murakoze because it is used in general. Now, let's jump to farewells. You know, in English, whenever we depart, we say bye or goodbye to someone. So in Kinyarwanda, how do we say it? Say mwirirwe. I repeat it again, mwirirwe. I repeat again, mwirirwe. Or you can say Imana ibarinde. But better to use mwirirwe in general. So now, this mwirirwe or Imana ibarinde can be used in the morning, noon, and afternoon. In the evening, better to say muramuke. I repeat it again, muramuke. Muramuke. That is the way you can now say bye to someone in the evening. Then it might happen that when you are in Rwanda, you can close abroad or in the countryside, and you reach a place and you need to buy something. If so, how do you ask a price in Kinyarwanda? Asking a price in Kinyarwanda, it is so simple as drinking water. Just take something you wish to buy, or you point at it and ask, nangahe? Nangahe. I repeat it again. Nangahe. As you can see, the way it is written, you can read as it is. Ni angahe. But when it is pronounced, we say nangahe. So that is the way you can ask for replies. So whenever you practice it, Rwandans are ready to answer you. So in English, we say how much? How much? But in Kinyarwanda, remember, nangahe. So this is the simple way you can start speaking Kinyarwanda. So please, wherever you are, try to do this. Try to practice these exercises so that whenever you come to Rwanda, you enjoy the country. So thank you very much for further learning our lessons. Please, please, please don't forget to subscribe, to share, and leave your wish and desires in the comments to learn or to know where to improve. So the Moon TV is there for you. Thank you. See you next time.